monitoring? No.
No.
I put one severity, maybe one only minor, right? Notable. And C is okay. This handheld, there's no, you are not using handheld vibration, right? No. Thermal, like sunlight, that is okay. Maintenance screw is
But this one only referred to.
hedging.
You only put in the refer to as a
Let me copy it, no? Make it complete one. This will help us. I will copy it. Right, work in direct sunlight. This is construction people. And this will go up to 50 people. To 50 people because we are site, right?
Yeah.
And I would say 3 to 4 hours. 2 to 4 hours. Whole body is acute heat. This one compliance with federal law. Heat stress, PPE, sufficient break, resistance. This one sufficient break. First step, correct, right? Now, so but there is one fatality can happen. So we have taken in HID also one fatality. Let us keep it one, right? 4.
No, here what is the fatality? Severe,
Because one fatality we have considered.
There is no 4 is not fatality here. It is different.
Yeah.
If you say fatality, it go to 6, huh? Here?
Here, huh? Really?
Yeah.
So then
severity, go to 6. See, catastrophe, irreversible effect. And 6 is a death. Disaster, life threatening. So if you see
multiple
4
fatality.
4 is not fatality here. 6 is fatality here.
So what you want to put? You want to put 4 or 6?
4 is what is 4 to 4? What is 4? Severe, reversible.
I think this is
okay,
correct.
it will be reversible because
I put C, huh? Because this happens.
Yeah.
But you know, with this safeguard now,
B.
they have put B, correct? Because we have a lot of safeguard.
Yeah.
Cold surface not applicable, ionization not applicable, right? No radiation. Not applicable. Norms no. Non-ionization no.
This norms and other thing, right? What is the norm for
Natural occurring radio sources from the well. Lighting. So glare, this can happen, but this is during night hours. And
lighting is two. One is insufficient lighting in the workplace.
Yeah.
Okay, where we are talking about office area. And second one is
site.
When you are not
we'll put both.
lighting for the site.
At site, I'll put office also. Right, office based people. Office. Right, site office.
Site office.
Site. Office. So this is a construction people. Up to 50 people.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is frequency is continuous. This is EYI.
You can 8 hours because it won't be continuous. I think the office area will work 8 to 10 hours maximum. So 8 to 10 hours.
Not continuous, you can say. 10 time.
8 to 10 hours. Your night time also
8
to 10 hours. 8 to 10 hours.
8 to 10 hours. So this is chronic or chronic.
No.
A oblique C दोनों.
Yeah.
A?
Oh, chronic. You don't want
because every